DJI could be starting 2025 with a game-changing addition to its drone lineup, the DJI Flip. While the company has yet to make an official announcement, leaks and filings suggest this compact drone might debut in early 2025. The United States Federal Communications Commission, FCC, recently released documents that give us an early glimpse of what to expect. So, let's dive into the details, including how the DJI Flip stacks up against other popular models like the DJI Neo and the DJI Avatar 2. The DJI Flip is shaping up to be an exciting addition to DJI's portfolio. Thanks to its recent FCC certification in the United States, it's clear that this drone is nearing its official launch. For those unfamiliar, an FCC certification is a strong indicator that a product is almost ready to hit the market. What sets the DJI Flip apart is its compact design, coupled with built-in propeller guards, a feature that makes it stand out in DJI's lineup. These guards are not just about aesthetics. They play a crucial safety role by protecting the drone's propellers, which is particularly beneficial for beginners or those flying in tight spaces, like indoors or around obstacles. Interestingly, drones equipped with propeller guards often support first-person view (FPV) mode, a feature that allows users to experience real-time visuals from the drone's perspective. DJI already offers FPV-enabled models, such as the Neo and the Avatar, which provide an immersive flying experience. However, early sightings of the DJI Flip show it paired with a standard controller. This raises the question, will the Flip include FPV functionality, or will it cater to a more traditional flying experience? One of the standout revelations from the FCC filing is the Flip's larger battery capacity, boasting a 3,110 mAh battery. Compared to the DJI Neo, which provides about 15 to 18 minutes of flight time, this is a significant upgrade. The DJI Flip could potentially offer over 20 minutes of airtime, making it a valuable tool for capturing aerial footage or simply enjoying extended flights. For comparison, the DJI Avatar 2 delivers around 23 minutes of flight time, making it one of the best in its class. If the Flip can approach this benchmark, it could be a game changer for drone enthusiasts who prioritize longer flight sessions. At first glance, the DJI Flip appears to be a step above the DJI Neo, particularly in terms of battery performance. The Neo is known for its simplicity and beginner-friendly features, including palm-based takeoff, AI subject tracking, and 4K video capture via a single-axis gimbal. These features make it an excellent choice for new users. While specific camera details for the Flip remain unknown, its position above the Neo suggests potential improvements, such as better stabilization or higher resolution video. It's possible the Flip could incorporate features from the DJI Avatar 2, like advanced HDR capabilities or a wider field of view, positioning it as a middle ground between the beginner-friendly Neo and the professional-grade Avatar 2. The DJI Avatar 2 sets the gold standard for FPV drones, with 4K HDR video, rock-steady stabilization, and an impressive transmission range of over 8 miles. It's a favorite among FPV enthusiasts, offering features like one-button acrobatics and an ultra-wide field of view. The Flip, on the other hand, seems to be targeting a different audience. While it might not deliver the full FPV experience of the Avatar 2, it could offer beginner-friendly features such as propeller guards and improved stabilization, making it a safer option for those new to drones. With its larger battery, the Flip might even come close to the Avatar 2's flight time, offering a more accessible alternative for users who value longer flights but don't need professional-grade FPV capabilities. The DJI Flip has the potential to be a groundbreaking addition to DJI's already impressive lineup of drones. With its compact design, rumored safety features like propeller guards, and a larger battery capacity, it appears to target a specific niche in the drone market: users who want something accessible yet slightly more advanced than entry-level drones. This makes the Flip a compelling option for drone enthusiasts of varying skill levels, from beginners to intermediate users. One of the Flip's standout features is its battery. A 3,110 mAh battery might not seem extraordinary at first glance, but in the world of drones, every extra minute of flight time counts. Longer flight times not only enhance the overall user experience but also allow more time for creativity, whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial shots or simply enjoying the freedom of flight. This added capacity could make the Flip a go-to option for travelers, vloggers, and hobbyists who value reliability and convenience. Another intriguing aspect of the Flip is its potential market positioning. DJI has a well-established lineup of drones catering to both casual users and professionals. The Neo, for instance, is designed for simplicity and ease of use, while the Avatar 2 offers high-end features tailored to FPV enthusiasts. The Flip seems poised to fill the gap between these two extremes, offering a mix of advanced features without overwhelming the user with complexity. If DJI markets the Flip correctly, it could become the preferred choice for users transitioning from beginner to intermediate-level drones. For instance, those who started with the Neo might look to the Flip as their next upgrade, drawn by its improved battery life, potential for enhanced camera capabilities, and safer flying experience. Meanwhile, users who find the Avatar 2's FPV features too advanced or costly could see the Flip as an ideal compromise. Another area where the Flip could shine is its versatility. Its rumored design suggests it might be portable enough to take on the go, making it suitable for outdoor adventures, casual filmmaking, and urban exploration. While FPV enthusiasts may not get the fully immersive experience offered by the Avatar 2, the Flip's more traditional flying style could appeal to users who prioritize ease of control and straightforward functionality over acrobatics and high-speed maneuvers. Safety is another critical factor that could set the Flip apart. Propeller guards, often overlooked, are invaluable for beginners or users operating in crowded or indoor environments. By incorporating such features, DJI is not only enhancing user safety, but also making drones more accessible to those who might be hesitant to invest in one due to concerns about accidents or damage. However, it's important to note that some details about the Flip remain shrouded in mystery. For example, its camera capabilities, flight modes, and price point have yet to be revealed. If the Flip manages to offer a competitive camera setup, perhaps even borrowing features from the Avatar 2, like HDR video or wide-angle shooting, it could attract a wide audience, from casual photographers to budding filmmakers. Pricing will also play a crucial role in the Flip's success. If DJI can position it as a mid-range option, offering significant upgrades over the Neo without venturing into the premium territory of the Avatar 2, it could attract a broad spectrum of users. An affordable price point combined with versatile features would make the Flip an irresistible choice for those looking to maximize value without sacrificing performance. In conclusion, the DJI Flip is shaping up to be more than just another drone. It has the potential to redefine what a mid-range drone can offer, bridging the gap between beginner-friendly models and high-performance FPV drones. Whether you're a first-time drone user looking to explore new heights, or a seasoned pilot seeking a more portable, user-friendly option, the Flip could be a game-changer. As we eagerly await official announcements, one thing is clear. DJI's ability to innovate and adapt to market demands continues to set it apart in the drone industry. The Flip might just be the perfect embodiment of this ethos. A drone that combines accessibility, innovation, and performance in one compact package. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to share your thoughts. What features do you hope to see in the DJI Flip? Could it be the drone that fills the sweet spot between the Neo and the Avatar 2? Let us know in the comments below.